Real estate websites are indispensable tools. Whether you're a serious buyer, thinking of selling, or just curious about what your neighbors pay in taxes, you can get a sense of how much your home is worth and arrange for regular updates when a property in a community of your choosing gets listed or has a price change. 3 of the most popular real estate sites that we're going to talk about today are Realtor.com, Trulia, and Zillow.
With Realtor.com, you can easily check property records for every house on a street. Property pages prominently list upcoming open houses. Local market data is clear and useful. Realtor.com is licensed from the National Association of Realtors, so you can trust the content you find here. Trulia. Trulia goes beyond static listings. They source insights from the people who live in your neighborhood to offer buyers neighborhood map overlays that provide deeper understandings of the communities that they're buying into. Trulia focuses on an area's lifestyle factors, including proximity of particular stores, restaurants, and cafes, as well as crime statistics. You can set up a commute time by auto or public transportation to a specific location. The search tool identifies properties within commute times that fit those parameters. When you're on the move, use the Apple and Android apps to identify nearby open houses that are in progress or about to start. Zillow. Whether you're buying, selling, or browsing, Zillow has something for you. If you're listing a home on Zillow yourself, you'll receive access to a sales proceeds calculator, your home's zestimated value, a local news feed, and tools to help you price your home accurately. However, exercise skepticism when using those price valuation tools. They'll value your home when you type in your address, but those estimates can vary wildly and may not be a reliable prediction of what you'd get once you actually sold your home. For more accuracy, ask a real estate professional, a local real estate professional, for a free comparative market analysis.
Commercial and national real estate websites are a great place to start, but be sure to pass the baton to a local real estate professional who's going to help you get a better sense of the condition of the property, pricing, and local real estate market trends. No commercial real estate website will ever be able to beat or compete with the knowledge of a local real estate professional who you know, like, and trust.
Hooked on a feeling, hooked on a feeling.